guys, it's Erika. And then yung friend ko guys. Inday siya guys. Ang pangalan niya Inday. So, aram ang mga sticky guys nasa among rep. Guys. Guys, tanaw na to tong rep. Guys. Sa taas po guys. Ala na ice pop kaunod na to. Guys. So sige na guys. Lara po akong isa ka friend. Guys, nagdula siya ani guys. Guys. So ano siya guys? Samad guys. Ano siya samad guys? Tanawa guys. Lame. Char lang. Ulaw kayo. Maulaw siya guys.
Hello. I'm just getting the review though guys.
Huh? I just get to the review.
Gege. Oh, I just get to the review.
Ako guys. Ako naman guys.
Oh, bisa lebih just ah.
Okay Raman.
Okay. The first time I vlog nila daw. First time
na mo mag-vlog guys. Napoy bayot guys. So bayot. Guys, so bayot. Bayot siya guys. Bayot. Sige na guys. Bye-bye.